Good day to everybody. Welcome to Novoscape today once more. Today what we are going to show you is how a hob cutout is done correctly. Now you see, firstly, when the quartz is completely clad, you have to cover this entire area by plastic to avoid the quartz being damaged before the installation of the kitchen. So we do this entire plastic covering on the areas so that marking can be done. After that, you make the bottom, and all these markings are done of the carcasses that are going to come. Same markings are repeated here on the thing, and then the clear dimensions of the hob cutout are given like this. What we need to ensure in this, very important, is the use of tape and pencil, because sometimes certain permanent markers or certain gel pens can create smears and permanent stains on the quartz which may not be able to remove. So you give this exact corner to corner marking, cut it out and show this clear dimensions, as well as put up a drawing there behind, so that the details are clearly mentioned and each elevation is mentioned. Fast, so that this is how it is. So please take care of this simple procedure when you are doing this marking of using tape and only pencil and clear markings like this. Thank you so much.